back to my channel. It's your girl Abiodun Special as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face on your screen, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys at the best. Yeah, so today's video is clean with me. I just want to clean my apartment, and I feel, oh, I should carry you guys along. Yeah, it will be fun carrying you guys along. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. But before then, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Turn on notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Yeah, please do me that favor. Yeah, thank you very much in advance. Oh, thank you. I know you've already done it. Yeah, thank you. So let's start. I'm going to start with the room. I'm actually in the kitchen now because this is where I can get good lightning, but I'm going to open the door so that it will be a little bit bright inside the room. So I'm going to start with the room. From the room, I'll come to the kitchen. Then lastly, the CR. CR is always my last place when I'm cleaning. Yeah, so I think I've ranted a lot. Let's start.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round and not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. No, it's not fair. It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight. What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One no, it's not fair. It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
Guys, I'm done. Yeah, you can see how the place is neat. Well, this is how I wash my own toilet. I don't know how you do yours, but this is what I can do. I've arranged my rubbers here, and yeah, I'm done. So this is the kitchen. I really did not do much in the kitchen. I did not have any plates to wash or anything. I don't keep dirty dishes, so that was why it was easier for me. And yeah, this is the room. I'm just going to take my bath now, eat and sleep. So if you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like and share. Turn on the notification so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. And please share with friends. Oh my god, what am I saying? Share with friends. Then if you have any video suggestion, drop it down in the comment section. I really need video suggestion. Like, I really need them. What do you want to see more on my channel, or what do you want me to talk about on my channel? Just drop it down in the comment section. I really need suggestions this year, honestly. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, this is where I'm going to end this video. I need to go and bath. I don't know, looking at me, you know I'm dirty right now. Yeah, so bye. See you guys in my next one. Don't forget, AB loves you. Bye.